If you can spare an extra 30 minutes to an hour a day, you can make about $100 a day. And if you're someone that has more time on your hand and you can put in about 5 hours to up to 8 hours, there's no doubt in my mind you can make $500 a day or even more. All it takes is consistency. Okay, so the first website where I'm going to show you how you can copy and paste ads on and make money is a site called the Free Ad Forum. And this is one of those sites not a lot of people know about. A lot of people don't even know this site exists, but they get a ton of traffic. And what I like about them is they are business opportunity friendly. You can post affiliate programs on here and don't have to worry about getting your ad taken down. Now, I'm also going to share with you 2 other ways that you can copy and paste. So you definitely want to pay attention to this video, because when you combine all 3 together, you're going to get the maximum results. So the Free Ad Forum is the first one, and over 100,000 members are signed up to this website, and it's growing every day. So you're going to get traffic here. So you come to the Free Ad Forum, you click right here where it says register. Then you put your email, username, password, and then you want to go to your email and confirm your email. And next thing you want to do is log in. So I already have an account. So when you're logged in, this is the page you're going to see. You want to look over here on the left side where it says new classified. You want to click on that, because this is how you're going to post your ad. And right here, you want to scroll down. This little box right here, you want to choose jobs. Then this little box is going to pop up. Since we're doing business opportunity affiliate programs, you want to click right here where it says business opportunities. Click on that. And then you're going to see this little box right here where it says 90 days, no cost. When you come to this page, it should automatically say that. If it don't, you want to choose that, because what I'm showing you here is absolutely free. But there are 2 other options here. 6 months for $5, 1 year for $10. There are some benefits to this. Now, for one, if you come to the home page, your ad is going to end up right here on this in this little column here. So you're going to get more views. And if you choose one of the paid options, you're going to stay up longer. But I never choose any of these. What I'm showing you in this video is free ways. Now, the next thing you want to do right here where it says title, this is where you put your headline at. And I'm going to give you all the free ads here. You can use every one of them. And when you get good with this, you can start to tweak them and make them fit your business. And also, guys, if you don't have a business, I'm going to leave a list of free opportunities that you can get involved with, so you'll be able to make money. But a lot of you guys are already in the business, so you can just use the business that you already a part of. It's that simple. So I'm going to copy one of these ads here. Let's copy this one. And I'm going to paste it. Bam. It's that easy. And right here is where you put your ad body at. So every one of these headlines here will fit all of these bodies. So you can just choose whichever one you like the best. And like I said, guys, you can tweak these if you want. Remember, the more original your ad look, the better. But you don't have to. This is truly a copy and paste method here. So I'm copy. Bam. So you can see my ad body here. And the next thing you want to do in this little box, you want to put your tags, because some people that come to this website are going to type in what they're looking for. And you want to make sure your tags are related to your ad. And I have some that you can copy and paste from right here. So I'm going to paste them. Right here on price, you can leave that at 0. Shipping, you're doing digital here, so you don't have to worry about any shipping. Put your email here. Region, so I'm going to choose United States. And I'm going to choose, let's choose New Jersey. So you can choose any state, any country you want here. Right here, I'm going to choose South Jersey. This next step right here is very important. This little green box right here is where you put your website URL. When people visit your ad, it's going to say something like, click my website or click here for my website. If you don't put this here, you're not going to get signups. And like I said, if you're not a part of any business, I'm going to give you access to a list of companies for absolutely free. So I'm going to put my website here. And the next part right here, this is where you put your image. I like to use money images. You can go to Google, you can go to Instagram and find a whole ton of free images and just experiment with them. So I'm going to click this one right here. In this little section right here is where you can put a YouTube video. I like to put one of my videos here because they show people how to make money online. And if you don't have any videos yourself, you're welcome to use one of mine. Just remember to put your website link here. So when people watch the video or read the ad, they're going to go straight to your website. Okay, so I'm going to put one of my videos here. And then you want to scroll down. And this little button right here where it says preview, you want to click that to make sure your ad is A-OK. So I'm going to click preview. Then this little tab is going to pop up. This is where your ad going to be. And you can move this around if you want. So I'm going to look up here and make sure my title is correct. Make sure the image that I uploaded is right here. And here's one of my videos. So when people watch the video, it don't matter if you share my video or somebody else's video, they're going to be able to scroll down, read the ad, and right here is where they click the website at and go to your page. So I'm going to close that out. Everything looks good. I'm going to scroll down. And then I'm going to click next step. So right here it says your order has been received successfully. Thanks. Total no cost. So you didn't purchase anything. Your ad is live. And you can click right here to make sure it's live. Bam. There it is right there, guys. And right here you can see this is where I put my website. I'm going to click that and show you. And that's my capture page right here. This is where people go to my website. They enter their email and everything. So I'm going to show you that these ads are getting views here. This is an ad I posted on July the 27th. And that was just a few days ago. And I've already got 113 views. And you can post multiple ads in multiple states. This is just one ad, 113 views. I'm receiving leads from this ad every single day. But we have 2 more websites to go. So let's hop into them right now. This one right here is called Free Global Classified Ads. And it's very similar to the one we just posted on. You want to make sure you create your account first. And then you want to log in and click this red button right here where it says publish your ad for free. Click on that. And this page is going to pop up. Select your category first. Business opportunity, work from home. This time I'm going to choose work from home. You want to put your title here, description here. Those are the pre-written ads that I'm going to give you for free. Right here, you can leave this blank. Choose the country, region, city. And right here, make sure that you put your website. Don't leave that blank. And your keywords, put the keywords here. And right here, you can put a YouTube video if you want. Then click publish. Now, these 2 websites they the same. But this last method here that I'm going to share with you is totally different. A lot of you probably have never seen this method. And we're going to be doing this method with Craigslist, but not in a way that you probably are thinking about. It's something totally different here. So you definitely want to pay attention. Now we're on the last method here. This is a super ninja way that's going to get you results if you apply exactly what I'm about to show you. Now, when most people come to Craigslist, they click right here on the job section and they try to post their ad up, and it's going to cost you anywhere from $10 to up to $75 depending on where you post at in order for you to get results. But most of the time, Craigslist is going to take your ad down because they don't like business opportunities. They don't like affiliate programs, none of that. So I'm going to show you something different here on what I've been using. So when I come to Craigslist, I choose whatever state I want to post in. And then I click right here at the bottom where it says resumes. So you click on that. And right here, what you see on the screen is thousands and thousands of people looking for work. And most of them don't even care what kind of work it is. They can be looking for a babysitting job or a roofing job. Most of the time, these people just want to make money. And you're going to be the savior of the day and help them do just that. And I'm going to give you the pre-written script to use. So what you want to do is when you come to this page right here, you just want to contact these people. And you can narrow the search down if you want. You can type something up here like looking for work. Or you can type something like work from home. But like I said, most of these people don't care. They just want to make some money from home. So I'm going to click on this first one right here that says any favors needed. And you can see this person says, I can walk your dog today. I can do some housework, anything. I need to make some quick cash today. See what I'm saying? This person said anything. So what you want to do, this right here is a pre-written script that you can use. You can tweak it however you want, or you can just use it. So it says, hi, saw your inquiry on Craigslist about you looking for work. We are open to speaking with you about our opportunities. Please feel free to contact me here and we will send you some information to review about our company and opportunity. So perfect message here. So I'm going to copy back to Craigslist and click reply. Now, before you go any further with this, what you want to do is create about 4 or 5 Gmail accounts. Then you want to do the same with Yahoo, then Hotmail. The reason why is because it's going to allow you to send up to 300 to 500 messages. You don't want to be limited here because if you're working this every day with the other 2 methods, this is how you're going to be able to make money. You don't want to just use one account. So I'm going to click on Gmail. And it's going to take you to your account, whichever account you logged into. And I'm just going to simply paste the message right here. And then I'm going to click send. Now, you notice that I did not send my link the first time. I did not do that because I want to get to know the person a little bit. I want to make sure that I read their message so I can better communicate with them. You don't want to send your link on the first go around. You're going to scare the people off. You don't want to do that. You send that little simple message. You wait for them to respond. And then this is my response message. I'm not going to read this one. You can pause the video if you want. But I send this right here. And then it has my link in it right here. And then they can go to my website, check it out. And if they want to get involved with it, they may reach back out to me or something. You see what I'm saying? It's that easy, guys. And just like I said, make sure you combine all 3 of these methods together in order for you to see maximum results. If you don't do what I taught in this video, you're not going to see results. If you want to make $100 to $500 a day, you need to follow everything that I taught you here. And if you need to watch this video over, keep watching it over and over and over and over until you get it. You got to do this consistently, my friend. And when you send this message out, this response message out to people, and they decide they want to join you in whatever opportunity you offer them, you can also send them this video right here that I made for you. So they'll be able to copy and paste as well. You see what I'm saying? So you'll be helping them out. Hey, my friend, had to jump in here real quick to show you some proof that this worked. Remember this message right here that I replied to? Well, about 34 minutes later, look what I got. Hello, thanks for reaching out. May I have the info? So you're going to see here right now what I'm going to do. I'm going to send them this response message here. Copy. Then I'm going to click reply right here. Paste and send. Bam. So now they're going to get access to the opportunity that I'm a part of. So I'm glad you got to see this, guys. These people respond quick. They respond real quick because they need to make some money. You're going to be able to help them out.